Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa, for those of you who don't know. And for today's video, I'm going to be testing out the Juicyjas times Colourpop collection. So if you guys don't know, Juicyjas is a YouTuber. I love her. She's from Pennsylvania. She is so sweet. She is literally one of the YouTubers that will respond to DMs, tweets, comments. She literally she's so sweet. I feel like I know her. I've like messaged her a few times and she's just like, I can't get over it. She's just so darn sweet. And when I found out that she had a collab with Colourpop, I had to go ahead and support my girl because I love her. So Juicyjas, if by chance you are watching this, then I am so proud of you. I have been watching you for a year and a half, and just to see how much you've grown, I'm just so proud of her. She's just so amazing. She just got engaged, just bought a house, so everything's going like really well for her, and I could not be more happy for her because she's just somebody who deserves so much because she is just like so sweet. So I cannot wait to see what the rest of 2020 is in store for her because I feel like there's gonna be some good stuff. But enough chit-chatting about that. Let's get on and talk about this makeup. So one thing, if you guys have not subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified of all my future uploads, and give this video a thumbs up if you do like what you see throughout the video. But let's get talking about this makeup, guys. Colourpop sent me this box right here. I know it is pretty large because I ordered some stuff, but one thing that they did send over, which I thought was so cute, is that they sent over a Sorry We're Late XOXO Colourpop. I don't know if it's because they did take some time to actually send this to me, but I definitely do appreciate it. And what is in here, it is just a loose pigment. This is in the shade Do Whoop, and it looks really pretty. I did take a peek yesterday and it just looks really nice. So I definitely do appreciate the fact that they did send something over because that's really nice. We have this card right here featuring Juicyjas. So that is her right now. Her collection is called Young and in Love. Whether you are young and in love, dating, getting married, or none of the above, these products can be your go-tos for any occasion. These are my favorites for an everyday glam look or something a bit more glam. I hope you love them as much as I do. XO Jasmine. So yeah, I'm super excited. So we have that. Then we have her collection. So everything underneath is the stuff that I ordered, but we have her collection right here. So first thing we have is a volumizing mascara. This is the BFF mascara. This is just the black on black shade. I already have one, and this is the black on black shade, so I'm not going to open this brand new one because I have this one open and I don't want both to dry out, so I'm just going to go ahead and use the old one that I have. But this is in her collection. I'm not going to open it right now. Then we have a ultra matte lip, and this is in the shade Sunny Side, and this is such a pretty nude. She loves nude lipsticks, and I love nude lipsticks, and I love the pics of nude lipsticks that she has. Like, one of my favorite combinations is the LA Colors lip liner. I actually use this shade Spice. She uses the shade like Nude something. So she uses the shade Cafe, and I use this shade Keep It Spicy, but then we add the Bite Beauty Honeycomb lipstick, and then a Fenty Beauty, wasn't supposed to go flying, then a Fenty Beauty lip gloss on top, and it's just the perfect combination. Like, it is my perfect nude lip combination, so that is because of her. But this color just looks so darn pretty. Then we have a lippy pencil, and this is in the shade Little One. I don't think I have this one. I love Colourpop's lip pencils. This is what that looks like. Again, a really pretty nude shade. I don't think I have that, but I do like their lip pencils. They are so creamy and so pigmented, and they're not tugging at your lips or anything. Next thing we have is a cream gel liner. This is in the shade Honey Dew. I love this. I love putting nude liners in the waterline. So I love the Tarte Stay Awake. I've actually never used a Colourpop liner, so I'm excited to see how this works. And then we have the star of the show, at least in my eyes. This is the Colourpop Nude Mood palette. That is what the packaging looks like. It looks really pretty, and then you open it up And look at those colors. Those colors look beautiful, totally up my alley. I have not swatched, have not touched. I'm just so excited to use this. So let's just go off and start off with the eyes because I'm so excited. I don't think I've used the Colourpop eyeshadow palette before. I don't think I have, but I'm excited to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to take a Morphe M533 and I think I'm just going to set my lid with the shade Bluffing. There is no mirror in this palette. I also did purchase the Kelly Strack one. I'm probably going to film with that soon too. The Kelly Strack one is 5 other products from Colourpop, and I believe her palette has a mirror. So some have a mirror, some don't have a mirror. But I think what I'm going to do, I want to see if this shade Bare to Wear will show up on my skin. So I'm going to take the same exact brush and just buff that into the crease. So it might be too similar to my skin tone to actually pick up. I mean, you could see a tiny bit of it, but if you do have a deeper skin tone than me, I don't know if this is going to show up as much. This would probably be good for just setting all over, but you guys can see there is a little bit of color right there. I want you guys to see there is a little bit of kickback. I don't mind that. I don't really care about kickback so much, so that's just like a personal preference. I'm actually going to take a little bit of a smaller brush and I'm going to go in with the shade Au Natural, which is this shade right here. I'm going to deepen up the crease with this. Just focusing that right on the socket, not really going above. Just really trying to concentrate that color. So again, I'm just going basically back and forth motions to blend this out. This is actually really pretty. I'm going to go ahead and take that first brush that we use and then just blend out that edge a little bit. The Cocoa, which is the shade right here, it looks really pretty. It does have some shimmer to it. It looks gorgeous. And I'm going to tap this on the outer portion of my eye first because I want to see how pigmented that is. That's actually really pretty. And I'm blending that in. Kind of just going to put that all over the lid actually because I actually like that shade. It's pretty. But kind of leaving that center part open. This is just to add some dimension. And I'm kind of hitting that crease too. So I want to deepen up that outer portion of the eye. So I want to go in with the shade Moody, and it's such a deep, dark, chocolatey brown. Like, oh, look, I'm obsessed. I'm just tapping that at first just to get that pigment. This, we're really just focusing on the outer portion of the eye just to get that pigment. Literally, this is probably a look that I do kind of similar like for work. I'm gonna flip it to the side that doesn't have that much color on it and just blend in little windshield wiper motions. But this is a look that I kind of do for work, do a nude look. It's just so easy. I love like a nude look, like a nude eye look or a warm eye look, and then a shimmery lid and a nice nude lip. Like, it has like a brown, but it has like a hint of pink that just makes it so gorgeous. I'm obsessed. Like, I really, really like this. We need a nice shimmer shade to complete this look. So I think I want to go in with the shade Put On Airs, and I don't know if I need to use my finger with this shade, but let's try it out with a brush. I'm going in with the Morphe 124 brush. Let's see, maybe a finger will be better. I was actually applying it really nicely. That looks really pretty. There is a little bit of fallout with that shade, so probably do your eye makeup first. I'm just doing a wear test, so that is why my foundation is on first for once. You can definitely intensify this by applying it with your finger, because let me show you guys. Like, it's very intense with your finger. Let me see. Yeah. Like, look at that intensity with the finger and then without the finger. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're going to go ahead and do the lower lash line. So let's take that Moody shade, which is that deep dark brown shade, and press that as close as you can to your waterline. I'm not going all the way in So we are going to take a little pencil brush and we're going to mix between the Bare to Wear and the Au Natural shade and just run this across the lower lash line just to smoke this out. I'm actually going to apply some liner. I don't have any liquid liner. I don't even know, does Colourpop make liquid liners? I don't even know, but I'm just going to apply the IT Superhero liner. I'm just doing a nice thin line. Now I need some brow highlight, don't you think, guys? So I'm gonna take the shade Wink Wink with that really pretty shade. I'm gonna try it with a brush. Ooh, that feels like really wet. That feels really nice. I'm gonna take that and apply. Do I need a flat brush maybe? It's applying really pretty, but I think I need a flat brush to apply this shade. This definitely feels different than that other shade. There we go. You guys can see that inner corner highlight looks so pretty. Definitely pretty light compared to what I normally do, but the consistency of that shadow feels very wet. Sort of like the Super Shock shadows. It's kind of what it reminds me of. All right, so that looks so darn pretty. I am loving this look. So let me actually go ahead and apply some mascara again. I do have the new one right here. You guys could literally see black is on black and black is on black. I'm just not going to open up the new one if I have this one available. So I have used this before. It's good, yes, but it's not like my favorite. I feel like when I tried this, I was like, ooh, this is like amazing, because it, like you guys could see, like it looks really pretty. It does look really nice, but it doesn't top my favorite, which is the, can you guys guess? Do you guys know by now? Because I compare every single mascara to this. My favorite is the Maybelline Falsies. Like literally nothing can top that one. Nothing at all. It is just amazing. Makes you look like you're wearing false lashes. I'm in love with that mascara. Like, I love it so much. But this one is pretty good. As you guys could see, like, it looks really good on the lash. So, oh my god, do you guys hear that car? Like, sir, what are you doing? Where are you going? But anyway, it's good. It's affordable. I do like this. But I like my Maybelline one better. I also know Colourpop came out with false lashes, which I know I said I was going to try to wear false lashes more often. It's coming, I promise, guys. Let me apply this on my lower lashes. So mascara is on the bottom lashes, and now we can apply the Honey Dew liner. I'm so excited. I heard that these are so pigmented, so let's see. Right now I love the Pixie one. It's amazing, the Pixie Liners. Ooh, that's actually really pigmented. Do you guys see that? That pigment, oh my god, that is so pigmented. What? I am shook. That is so pigmented. So literally I love the Tarte Stay Awake liner, and I feel like this is on par with the Tarte one. Like, it's literally super pigmented like the Tarte one, so that is amazing, and it's at a cheaper price point, which is great. So I actually really like this. I want to try out more of their colors. I don't really have a lot of their colors, to be honest, which is crazy. But so now let's go ahead and line these lips. So this is again in the shade Little One. I love their lip liners. Like, literally, they are so good. Ooh, this is a lot lighter. This is definitely a lot lighter than I anticipated. I'm just gonna go ahead and fill in the corners of the lips, and then I just did that little line that I always do. But I really like this. I love Colourpop lippy pencils. They are good. I've actually never used a shade, but it looks really pretty. Now let's go ahead and try this Ultra Matte liquid lipstick in the shade Sunny Side. And can I say, I actually haven't been a fan of liquid lipsticks lately. Lately, I've been going more towards cream lipsticks. I only really wear the liquid lipsticks when I am like going out. Like last night I wore a liquid lipstick. Tonight I'm probably going to wear a liquid lipstick, because I feel like it is in so cold in Jersey that I need like a nice creamy lip on most days. But I do like their liquid lipsticks. They do stay on for a while. They don't feel super drying on the lips. But I mean, it's a liquid lipstick, so it is going to be drying. This shade is really pretty. This is such like a nice pink shade. I like this look. it's like something I could wear to work every single day, but I feel like I could totally amp up this look and like really smoke it out. Like that deep dark brown shade, like that moody shade, so pretty. So I feel like I really like this. Like I really like everything that she included. I know I was a little harsh on the mascara, but truthfully I do like the mascara. It's just Maybelline has my heart, what can I say? But overall I really liked everything. I feel like the most impressed product like blew me out was this liner. Like I know people always said that the Colourpop liners were pigmented, but that's pigmented, especially for a nude shade. That is amazing. I hope that it stays on all day, because I know that even though it is pigmented, it could definitely wear down because of the, like, it's a very wet area. Like, I mean, it's your eye. So I'm really curious to see if this is going to stay on. I really like this lip color for every single day. It is just such a perfect, pretty nude. I know it's going to stay on all day. I could even apply lip gloss if you really want to, but I really like everything that was in here. The palette, definitely beautiful. I feel like with this shade, it is really the only shade that you need to use your finger with, because it's kind of wet. It kind of reminds me of like their Super Shock highlighters. It's a very pretty shade, but I feel like with this one you definitely need to apply it with your finger, versus this one, the one that I did on my eye, you can apply it either way. And I feel like you have a really good mix of mattes, shimmers. I do really like this. So definitely 2 thumbs up for this collab with Juicyjas. I feel like she pulled products that are amazing, and I know I could never go wrong. Like I feel like whenever she says like, oh my god, you have to try this, I have to go ahead and try this. So I genuinely am so happy for Juicyjas. So congrats to her. Yeah, that is it for this video, guys. I hope that you did enjoy. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. Also, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel before you go if you did like what you saw. But that's it, guys. I hope that you guys enjoy, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye! Thank you.